All right, in this video, we're going to talk about some of the things that influenced Darwin's thinking on evolution and led to his theory. So we're going to look at the conclusions drawn by Hutton and Linnell about the Earth's history, Lamarck's hypothesis about evolution, Malthus's view on population growth in humans, the role of inherited variation in artificial selection. So, like I said in the previous video, at the time, most scientists thought the Earth was only a few thousand years old. That was a problem for Darwin. He knew that all the variety on Earth uh, couldn't have come about from evolution in that short period of time. But after reading some of the work by Hutton and Linnell, they concluded that the Earth is ancient and still changing, looking at volcanic processes, erosion, continental drift, and all of these things. And that really did give that millions or billions of year time for evolution to happen. At the time, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck was really one of the first scientists that argued strongly that species were not fixed. Now, his ideas about why they changed and how they changed were incorrect, but at least there was somebody else out there, because Darwin realized that this was a huge idea and it was going to create a lot of problems for him. In fact, he didn't publish his ideas for many years because he feared the backlash from that. Malthus reasoned that if human populations grew unchecked, there wouldn't be enough living space and food for everyone, which would create a big population crash. And that helped Darwin form his ideas where competition led to survival of only the species that, and reproduction of the species that had the best adaptations, pass those adaptations on to become more common, and they would change the makeup of the population. Darwin, looked at humans and populations and thought, why shouldn't this apply to all natural populations? And certainly it does. And finally, he looked at artificial selection, selective breeding, where humans select the characters they find beneficial in crops, in livestock, in animals, and things like that. And this has been done for a long time, and we could, in many cases, change the characteristics of species to benefit us.